First, you start off with a simple sandwich bag. Then, you want to take 125 milliliters of 18% cream and put that into your sandwich bag. Next, you want to get your sugar. We're going to use 15 milliliters of sugar and we're going to put it in our bag with our cream. Once you've got the sugar, you want to take 5 milliliters of vanilla and put it into the sandwich bag with both the cream and the sugar. Next, you want to squeeze the air out of the sandwich bag. Make sure to have as little air in there as possible. We need something to freeze our ice cream, so we're going to get a large plastic bag, and this is going to hold our ice and salt. So you're going to take 750 milliliters of ice and put it into your large plastic bag. Next, you want to take 90 milliliters of rock salt, or coarse salt, and put that in your bag with your ice. Once both the ice and the salt are in the large plastic bag, mix them up a bit, and then you're going to put your ice cream mixture into this bag. After everything's inside the large plastic bag, you want to mix it up really good. Once your ice cream has reached the right consistency, you can take it out of the large plastic bag. To make sure there's no extra salt on it and that it doesn't get in your ice cream, you want to wash it off with some water. You want to rinse off your ice cream with cold water, because if you rinse it with hot water, it's just gonna melt. And lastly, you get to eat your ice cream, finally. When you're finished your ice cream, you're going to take your melted ice from your cooler and dump that down the sink. Then you're going to take the extra salt in the bag and the bag itself and put it in the garbage. different heat systems in this process. When salt is sprinkled on ice, for example, it causes the ice to melt. This chemical reaction is actually heat energy transfer. Water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. A saturated saltwater solution freezes at negative 32 degrees Celsius. When you sprinkle the salt on ice, the ice will melt because the salt lowers the freezing point of water. When the salt makes contact with the ice, it starts a chemical reaction that transfers heat energy from the surrounding environment, salt and ice, to the system, cream, sugar, and vanilla. Another thing is that salt water freezes at a lower temperature than regular water, so the salt helps keep the ice from getting too cold and turning the ice cream into just ice. Okay, how to speed up the freezing of the ice cream mixture. To freeze the ice cream mixture, first of all, it is necessary to use colder ice, a salt-ice mixture that has a lower freezing point than pure ice, so it acts kind of like colder ice. The more salt added to the ice, the lower the freezing point. The ice cream mixture can lose more energy to the salt-ice mixture and freeze before thermal equilibrium is reached. But I suppose the best way to speed up the freezing mixture would then to be add more salt, making it have a lower freezing point, and in the end, making the ice even colder.